For today's video, I'll show you a simple trick on how to turn a video into a GIF on Telegram. This is surprisingly simple, and you can do it directly from the app without needing a separate GIF maker. First, open Telegram and go to the chat where you want to send your video as a GIF. At the bottom of the chat, click the attachment icon. This will open your computer's file browser, where you can select the video you want to use. Find the video on your computer and select it. Telegram will then open a preview of the video before you send it. Now, this is the important part. Before sending the video, look at the options menu available in the preview window. You should see an option that allows you to send the video without sound. Select the option to mute the video. As soon as you mute the sound, Telegram's editor automatically toggles the file format into an animated GIF loop. Once everything looks good, click the Send button. Telegram will now send the video into the chat without audio. When the recipient views it, the video can play automatically and continuously, giving it that GIF-like effect. Keep in mind that Telegram doesn't necessarily convert the original video into a traditional GIF file. Instead, it uses a muted video that behaves much like a GIF inside the chat. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.